we got this key here is for my 2021 Hyundai Kona. Hyundai key, anyway. I'm sure there's lots out there. So we're going to change this battery. It's a 2023 battery. That's the style of battery that you need. So
2032.
Sorry, yeah, 2032. The first thing we got to do is take this key out. So there's a little switch there that you pull over to the side, pull the key out, and then you'll see there's a slot right there. And what you're going to do is turn counterclockwise. And then it'll start to split the housing open. So just be careful when you get it open here that you don't drop the circuit board or anything like that out, because it will fall out. And we can start disassembling all the pieces out of it. So there's the battery there. It just slips out towards the outside of the circuit board. You can see we have positive facing up. So remember that. Or rewind the video. Get this thing open here. I have to cut this open because it's going to take forever. It's got a child-proof double plastic on this battery. I might need scissors. So hopefully you don't take as long as that, but insert that in there. Then this piece goes back on, like so. And we want our rubber pad to go on. This goes on like this. Make sure that all the little buttons and everything are seated nicely. And let me just snap this back together. Now it's a good time to clean the inside of the key as well. Get all that dirt and grime and stuff out that builds up in there. And you're good to go.